Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to solve different wooden padlock puzzles. You need to open this puzzle and also you need to open this puzzle. They're absolutely different, but anyway, I will show you how to solve them. So let's begin. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve two wooden padlock puzzles. The first puzzle will be easier. We need to open this lock and there is labyrinth inside. And here's the solution. And the puzzle is solved. It is really simple. Now let's close this puzzle. And the puzzle is closed. The second puzzle will be a little more difficult. Here is the puzzle. We need to move this part, white part. To move this part, we need to arrange these gears. And here is the little hint. We've got only 3 positions for every gear. First one, second one, and the third one. And we need to put all the nearby gears into the different directions. For example, this will go here, this will go to the right, so this will go down. Okay, this will go to the right, this will go down, this will go to the right, because this one needs to go to the left. And the puzzle should to be solved. Yes, the puzzle is solved. Put in the comments which puzzle is better and subscribe my channel to see more videos about different puzzles. I hope you liked this video. If so, subscribe my channel to see more videos about different puzzles. And thanks for watching. See you next time.